This is the Digit Now cassette radio player and voice recorder. I just got this in from Amazon like a few minutes ago, got it in the mail. So now this is for somebody else. It's for somebody who does a lot of walking spring and summer. He has a lot of Italian tapes. So let's go ahead and check it out. And there's a nice thank you card. So that's always nice. The instruction manual, which I'm assuming most of us never read. And a set of earphones, and I'm assuming that the quality of this is not going to be all that great, but who knows, maybe I'll be pleasantly surprised. There's the radio itself in the packaging. It does have a built-in speaker, by the way, so I'll have to check that out. Okay, so there's the radio there, and yeah, the usual here, nothing fancy about this except the fact that it does have a built-in speaker. I guess that's fancy. It does have an antenna. Bell clip. I noticed with some of these on Amazon, be careful if you buy one. Bell clip, well, it's not made for a bell clip. Bell clip not included, so which is kind of pointless if you're going to buy one of these, right? We got recording. There's a red button there if you can see that, and play, rewind, fast forward. Yeah, so let's go ahead and check this out. I did remember batteries. You know, there's an old joke that goes, I bought batteries, but they weren't included, so I bought them again. I guess I need a cassette tape. I'll be back. I found an original George Benson cassette tape. This is from the album's Love Remembers from 1993. And I'm not even sure if it still runs or if it works, but Benson is from Pittsburgh, not too far from here. I think he lives in Hawaii now, but let's try it. The speaker makes a humming noise. All right, so for copyright reasons, I can't, let you hear the copyrighted music, but the speaker is surprisingly loud. It will fill a small room like a bedroom. I haven't tried the headphones yet. But yeah, most of the time headphones that come with these things aren't the best in high fidelity, but you can always change those later. But the built-in speaker, surprisingly, except for the hum and the static coming out of it, this has auto reverse, by the way. I just saw that. The speaker is loud enough, and yeah, this is around $30 total for a radio, cassette player, recorder, built-in speaker, and it comes with the headphones. But it's not bad for the price, so I need to deliver this to my cousin and see if he likes it. But yeah, I think for the money, I think it's worth for what I paid for it. So check it out. I'll have a link below in the show notes. The Digit Now cassette radio player, recorder, built-in speaker with auto reverse.